you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. In today's video, I got a nice little juicy twist tutorial for you guys. This is perfect for in-between styles, for summer, and just if you're just not knowing what to do to your hair, it's perfect. So you want to start off with freshly washed hair. I used Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 soap as a shampoo, as a clarifying shampoo. This is really good for getting all that dirt out. You also want to condition. And then I also went ahead for extra moisture. I added the After Dark Mask by Taraji P. Henson's line. I don't know how I feel about it yet. If you guys want to see a review on that, let me know in the comments down below. Then you'll need some brushes, clips, hair ties, combs, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to start off by doing is detangling the hair. There is no product in the hair. I didn't rinse out the After Dark all the way because this was a protective style and I really wanted that extra moisture. So to make it so that my twists don't shrink up too bad, I like to stretch my hair out with the blow dryer on cool. As you can tell, I'm jamming to Saweetie. She just dropped a new song, so I have that shit on repeat, you guys. So yeah, make sure if you do this, blow dry on cool. You don't want to damage your hair. Remember, we're trying to moisten our hair. I only do this to really get that excess water out, honestly. So once she's dried and detangled, we're gonna go ahead and twist. So to start off my twist, I use Carol's Daughter's leave-in conditioner. This is a spray. It smells so good. And then I go in with some curl cream. And then I go in with some tea tree oil. I use tea tree oil. You can use any other oil you want to seal your twist. I prefer tea tree oil because I do have dry scalp, and tea tree oil really does help with itchy and dry scalp. So this is the oil that I choose to use on my head, but like I said before, you can use whatever oil suits you best. And then we're just gonna two-strand twist, you guys. It's so freaking easy to two-strand twist. You just want to make sure that you are twisting all the way down, and when you get all the way to the end, you want to twist with your finger just so that you get that nice little curl at the end. And that's pretty much it. It's so easy, and that's why this video is so short and sweet and to the point. It is so easy to get these twists. If you don't know how to braid, this will be perfect for you. I do want to mention, when you start twisting, twist tight and pull without tugging on your hair. Pull at the root just to secure the root, and then twist down. As you can see, the twist will do its thing once you let it go, but you want to make sure that the wraparound is nice and strong at the root, because that is the foundation of the twist. And then at the end, curling it at the end is going to secure it. If you want to, and you feel like you're going to wear these twists for a long time, and you feel like maybe they'll unravel over time, you can always add a rubber band at the end. Just make sure to only wrap it around like maybe 3 or 4 times, not too tight, because you don't want to damage your ends. So yeah, you guys can just watch me do these twists. It was so quick and easy. Like I said, the part that takes long is applying the product, because you know, when you're doing a protective style like this, you want to pile on, and you want to apply your product in layers, and you want to make sure that you are targeting all kinds of things that your hair needs. I need leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and some oil to seal it all in. You might need other things, so just make sure that you're using the products that your hair will benefit from when you do this, because this is a protective style. Good way to test that your products are going to work together, especially when they're not from the same brand, is to mix them all, like a small amount of each on the back of your hand. If the consistency is creamy, you know that the products are going to work just like that on your hair. If the product starts to crumble and separate, you know that that's not going to sit on your hair, and your hair is not going to like it very much. So you want to make sure that all your products, depending on what products you choose to use, they all work together and they are cohesive. Your hair will be able to benefit from those products. I do want to mention, for these twists, I wasn't being extremely precise. This wasn't meant to be the cutest thing. They do come out cute regardless, but I was doing pretty big parts. If I do them too small, they kind of get super tangly, so you also want to keep in mind this is also going to be dependent on how thick or thin your hair is. You might need more or less twists depending on how much coverage you have. So just be mindful. If you want to do mini twists, those are also an option as well. I would call these about small to medium sized twists. Not too small, but I don't like them bigger than what they are there anyway. So this was the perfect size for me. These products that I used were just a random assortment of things that I had, and they worked so well together. My hair came out super moisturized and super, super shiny. And the twists themselves were super, super juicy for a few days. So if you want to refresh your twists and wear them for longer, you can. For me, once they start to get a little bit frizzy and a little bit messy, and because I don't put rubber bands in them, the shorter pieces in the back always come out. What I'll do is I'll probably just take out the twists and wear that for a few days, just to avoid washing my hair more than once in a week. And then I will go ahead and wash my hair when I'm ready. Last thing I do when I'm done with my twists is I'll have my partner or I will oil my scalp. Today I'm using the Mega Thick Formula by Gro. If you know, you know. This is the shit. It's amazing. So you just want to make sure that you're also moisturizing your scalp, because that is the foundation of your hair growth. You want to make sure that you aren't walking around with a dry scalp, especially in the sun, you guys. Exposing your head to the sun, your scalp to the sun, can be super damaging if you're not protecting your skin. So don't forget to protect your skin. With that being said, you guys, these are the twists. They're super, super cute, super, super easy, and can be styled in so many ways. If you guys want to see a video on how I styled my twists, then definitely leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment a pink heart down below if you love 2-strand twists. Subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, turn on those notifications so you know every single time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one.